Hello, my name is Tonino, and today I'll be doing an app review. This app is called Uncensored PRO, 9,999 ringtones. So basically, the creator of this app, his name is Todd. He was very kind and he sent me 5 promo codes. So basically, what this app can do is it can make a ringtone for your iPod or iPhone. What you do is you put your email address in, you put what you want to say, you pick a name.
This is the babe voice.
I'll pick the devil.
Voice.
And then you pick a beginning, fire engine, and this is from one of the last times I used it. I've put subscribe now. You press create.
Your ringtone is being created.
You have a woman telling you it's being created. Then it will open up a QuickTime player which will play you the ringtone.
Subscribe now.
Also, what you can do is you can pick whether you want it loud, fast, normal, both, quiet and slow. I prefer slow and loud. Let's pick Froggy and gas station. And we'll pick thanks. What this can do is you can share the ringtones with your friends. You go onto the website, which is autoringtone.com, type in the email used, and you can retrieve the emails. What I've found is that every single word, basically, it will come up and it will use the word properly. But I have found that for some words I have to use phonetic spelling. This doesn't do it on every word, but most words are pretty basic. So after you've made them, you go to Safari, which you can do this on your iPod or not. You can go auto ringtone.com. Press go and it will take you to autoringtone.com. You zoom in and click here to download your ringtone. You type in your email address and then you click list my ringtones. What this will do is it will take you to a page where all of your ringtones are. You can select delete, or you can click them and download them. Obviously you can't download them straight from the iPod because it hasn't developed that yet. But what you can do is on your PC or Mac, you can go to the website and download them. The developer of the app, Tom, kindly donated 5 promo codes. So all you have to do is leave a comment down below saying whether you do or do not want this app. I will pick 5 of the comments using random.org and you will get the promo codes in the next week. Thank you very much. Goodbye.